Today in front of me I have OPPO Find X5 Lite, and in this video we will show how you can enable and manage the keyboard clipboard on this device. So first of all you need to launch the keyboard. Next, over here at the top part of it you want to look for this very icon that stands for the clipboard itself. If in your particular case it is not present over here, you just want to tap on these three horizontal dots. And at the menu, which contains all the available keyboard options, you'll be definitely able to find the separate shortcut for the clipboard. Next, once you are at the clipboard page, turn this toggle on, and this will essentially mean that the clipboard is active. Next, if you would like to remove any of the elements you have over here, tap on the pencil, select what elements you would like to get rid of, and then click on the trash bin. If you would like, on the other hand, for something to be added to the clipboard, you gotta simply, copy something. So I'll copy this word that I've just randomly typed in. And once I get back to my clipboard, I'll be clearly see that it has been successfully added as the most recent element of it. And from here, simply tap on the element that you would like to use, and it will be successfully pasted into any typing space or typing bar that you have launched the keyboard from. Alrighty, so that would be pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.